Connect Bangalore is brought to you by JLL, Lend-Lease, and is powered by Unisu. Prabhu Ramachandran discusses how CREs are revolutionizing build operations.
Hi, this is Prabhu Ramachandran. I'm the founder and CEO of Facilio. Facilio is a PropTech startup headquartered in US with offices in New York, Dubai, Singapore, and India. I'm going to be talking about data-driven real estate operations as a topic today. So before we get into the topic, I would like to explain how the property operations is done today. What are the limitations in technology that customers are facing that are limiting them to move into next level of efficient property operations and maintenance. So if you look at the tech in property operations, we can divide them into two stacks. One is the automation stack which includes your building operations, which comprises right from the sensors to controllers to automation software, and that covers your building automation system, HVAC systems, elevators, fire safety systems, camera systems, all put together. And the way it is done today is the automation is constrained to one particular building or a site, and customers do not have ability to visualize across their portfolio. Customers are not able to leverage the automation outside that building and by people who are working on the buildings outside the scope of that physical location. So this is the limitation with automation. Next stack is the software, property operations software that are used today, which includes right from your work order management systems to help desk systems, asset management tools, energy management tools, tools for tenant billing, tenant portals. And these are all, as we speak, these are all like siloed tools and predominantly not cloud enabled, mobile enabled, mostly installed and serving one particular location. The second set of technology in property operations is the software layer of tools, right from your work order management to software for asset management, energy management tools, tools for managing tenants, right from complaints from tenants to tenant billing, tenant portals. There are dozens of tools that customers have to use, and they are not mostly cloud enabled. Legacy systems sitting within different set of portfolios within the same customer, dozens of software tools which are not integrated among themselves, and these softwares are not leveraging the automation in which customers are already spent money on. So the way we are thinking from Facilio is how can we help customers to move to next level of efficient operations and maintenance by leveraging the existing data within automation systems and other systems that are there within the customer portfolio, right? Like your other software systems, asset management solutions, external weather, data from all the automation that is available in the building. So one is how can we leverage data and use the data to improve operational efficiency. Where we are thinking is how can we bring in move customers from siloed tools to a platform model where we are providing a software platform which can which can integrate with automation systems, get a live stream of data, and the platform also allows us to go and build applications that customers can use, and the platform also allows customers to integrate their existing applications or even build their new application on top of the platform. So this model of platform and applications have been a proven success in other domains like say manufacturing or logistics or e-commerce, where today these markets, these domains have ability to run operations across the globe. For example, if a product has to be delivered right from the manufacturing to packaging to shipping to being received by customers, payments to up to customer feedback, everything is integrated, tracked real time, even though there are different software involved in the life cycle of that. So how can we bring that level of sophistication into real estate without a lot of disruption or without a lot of upfront investment for customers? So that is how we are thinking this whole problem, where we have come up with as a solution to us, we have come up with what we call as data-driven operations for real estate, which broadly has three components within the solution. So number one is we have an edge that can integrate with building automation systems and pick a live stream of data. And then we have our cloud platform, which aggregates data in real time from all the different asset classes for a particular customers across geographies into one single cloud platform. So what that allows, that enables customers is, customers now have one single place where their operational data is available in real time, and they are able to use this data, leverage this data for day-to-day decision makings. So within our platform, we provide ability to do workflows, rules, analytics, building apps, and we enable customers where they can bring all their stakeholders within operation maintenance into the platform. So our platform is the second component. On top of that, we are building apps which leverages again the data, and it sits on top of the platform. And these apps are very contextually integrated so that they provide maximum efficiency for customers. So as of now, we have apps around, number one is workforce efficiency. How can we help the property workforce to be more efficient, to be more faster using technology, where we provide contextual mobile apps for everybody within the ecosystems, right from technicians to supervisors to managers to energy auditors, financial persons, with contextual apps so that they are able to perform their work more efficiently on the go with mobility apps. So workforce is number one. And next one is we focus a lot on predictive maintenance of critical assets within building, which includes your HVAC assets, fire safety, elevators, camera systems, and access control systems. We provide apps that helps customers to maintain, manage these assets in a very predictive way. And for this predictive maintenance apps are tightly integrated with the workforce management app, so that whatever prediction happens, that is passed on to the workforce on the field. So third set of applications is around sustainability, where we provide apps that helps customers to manage their sustainability across their portfolio, which includes energy and water. How can customers acquire sustainability data and work on the data, visualize the data, and also run sustainability measures across their portfolio and measure the performance of these sustainability efforts. So the final part of the apps that we provide is apps around tenant experience, which starts from how can customers engage with the tenants in a very frictionless way, how can customers reduce the problems that tenants are facing on a day-to-day basis because of our one timely workforce, efficient workforce. Number two is we are identifying problems in a predictive way. So customers, the occupants or the tenants ends up facing lesser problems, and they experience the building in a more secure and comfortable way. So we have a suite of apps around tenant that encompasses from your ticketing, portals, energy visibility for tenants. So these are apps that we provide, and we also enable customers to go and integrate their existing applications. For example, customers can go and integrate with their accounting systems, with their customer charging system, with their parking systems. These are apps that customers can come and integrate. We also enable customers with our workflow engine and rule engine, where they can actually go and build their own apps. So this model of leveraging data from existing systems and then providing a platform and then providing set of apps like Facilio's own apps, customers' existing apps, and ability for customers to build their own apps and roll out. And all of this is offered in a very SaaSified way. Everything is subscription driven, and all these apps sits on cloud and offered. And customers have an ability to first experiment in a portion of their portfolio, like they can try with say 10% of their portfolio, and they can pick one office asset and one retail asset, try it out, and then they can start rolling out to their entire portfolio. And this model also helps customers to be very efficient, where they are not required to uproot their existing automation systems or even uproot their existing apps. With this model, they are able to make existing apps smarter, plus leverage whatever they have spent on the existing automation systems. To summarize, we looked at how data-driven operations can be applied in real estate with a platform model, moving away from siloed software tools and building level automation to a more unified, centralized, cloud-based platform model that helps customers to streamline their real estate operations and move to a more efficient operations and improved tenant experience without having a lot of disruption in their existing setup, and how customers can start with one set of portfolio and then move to a full suite of portfolio across their asset classes. Thank you.